So we are discussing types of protein. In this the beta, this the alpha. Beta is also pleated. Alpha is known as right-handed. So we just wanted to discuss example here. In beta, you will find example that is fibrin protein in silk. Fibrin protein which will be present in, I don't want to write completely, in silk. And in alpha you will find example of keratin which are present in nails and hairs as well. Then we are going to discuss tertiary, which is 3D globular protein structure. 3D globular protein structure, and this made up of primary and secondary both made this structure, both required to make this structure. Okay, when we make this structure, the 3D, and that is made by radial group, radial group. Okay, then you will find that's the only, I guess. So I just want to discuss one more structure which is known as quaternary structure. Quaternary structure. This structure is simply which is aggregation of two or more polypeptide. This is the aggregation of two or more polypeptide when they make this structure. And in this, not like this structure is very rare, so not applied on every protein. Not on every protein. Okay, so this structure is simply the more complex like these. There's literally this much complex, which is not our topic at all. So in this tertiary I did not made because I wanted to, like, this is also very much complicated, but you will find a structure like these. But quaternary is more like a thing. So these all are made up of secondary. Here this is the secondary, and you'll see alpha bond here, not alpha but hydrogen bond between them. This was all. So now let's discuss types of shapes present. Types not, but the shapes of protein. Shape of protein. Here you will find two shapes, globular and fibrous. This is the fibrous protein. Fibrous simply tell that this is a fiber-like structure. Fibrous, and this is globular. So fibrous is like here in this, no tertiary would be involved. No tertiary structure is present. But here you will see primary, whereas you will see primary and secondary structure in this, secondary structure in these. And when we talk about the globular, you will only see tertiary structure. This is the major difference. Tertiary structure. Okay, then you will see one more thing here that let's discuss the example. Example would be hemoglobin. Okay, and in this you will find example which would be myosin, actin, which myosin, these all help the muscle. Myosin, actin, keratin as well. You'll find keratin here as well, nails, hairs, as I just told last video. Okay, so if in this structure we know that tertiary and that is tertiary and secondary structure is required made. So in this the structure would simply like these, the straight linear like a structure. But when we talk about the globular, this is tertiary, and we know tertiary structure little complex, so we also make a structure like these. These are the structure of globular, whereas the straight structure linear, because primary and secondary make linear, tertiary make a little complex. So this would be a structure here, protein